guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing haul. I actually finally got my Morphe box that I ordered like probably 2 or 3 weeks ago in the mail. So if you want to see what I got, then let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have this box here from Morphe, and I'm just going to kind of like put it on the table because it's kind of heavy. And I've been waiting for this for almost 3 weeks, I think. So, they were having like a sale on like some of the palettes and most of the Jaclyn stuff when I bought this. Like a lot of the stuff was 50% off. So, I didn't get too much, but I kind of spent a lot. So, I saved a lot, but I also spent a lot to get it. So, let's go and see what I got, and then I will probably be doing another video next with some of the stuff that I got so we can play with it. So the first thing in the box is the Hale Dark Magic eyeshadow palette, and I've never used Hale's. Well, actually no, I have the Hale regular palette, but I don't, that's the only one that I ever have of her stuff from Morphe. So this palette, oh, it's so cute. It's earth tones. So this is the Dark Magic colors, and it's like got lots of green and blues. It's kind of like earthy tones. I don't have a palette really like this with like these types of like greens and stuff like that. I really lack green and stuff in my collection. For some reason, I don't have a lot of that stuff. Besides like the Blue Bloods palette, I don't have a lot of like cool tone palettes. So I kind of saw this and I was like, I kind of need to try that. So I got that. That one was, I think this one was like originally $16 and on sale for like $8 or something. And then the next thing in the box is the Hale Bling Boss palette, and it's this one. I love her packaging. It's just so like bright. So this one, I don't remember which palette this was, but this one was also another one that was like $16 and ended up being $8. Because all of her like palettes and everything, even her brushes were like 50% off when I was on the website. This one's the Purpley Pink palette. I have a purple and pink obsession, if you guys haven't already found that out. But I just loved the color story with this. I love how they have like the bright purples and like the nice like shimmery pinks and everything. So you can still have everything like nice and like you can like make it smoky, or you can make it like daytime at the same time, and I love like those kind of colors, so I felt like for $8, why not? So I got that one. This is what I'm like mostly excited about. I also got her brush set, which has a lot of brushes. I was really excited about this because this was also like 50% off or something like that. And these are normally like $200, I think. And it comes in this beautiful box, which I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. But how do I open this, guys? Hello, Queen. Oh, okay. Alright, so it opens like weird like that. Okay, so it has like a bunch of brushes in there. And then that looks like the eye brushes. And then these look like all the cool face brushes. I really wanted this because when I loved the box that it came in, not that I really wanted it just for the box, I wanted it for the brushes. But, what is it? Oh, that's not, is it that? Yeah. It came with just so many different brushes. It has like, maybe it's, no, that's not, there's not 43 brushes in here. I don't know, but this one's the Deluxe Master set. The Master Collection. So 24 custom eye and face brushes, and then the case. So I'm excited about these because I have a lot of brushes, but I love Morphe brushes. I feel like they work the best, and I have all the Jeffree Star brushes from Morphe, and I love them, but I loved the white like handle on these, and I just thought that they looked really classy. So I was gonna get the James Brushes collection or whatever, because he had like a lot more brushes or something like that. But I guess it's just that he has more of the brushes in it, but it was a lot more expensive, and they were also sold out. So I didn't get my hands on that, but I did get this one, so I'm excited to try those brushes out because I hope they perform just as well as Jeffree's do. And I don't know, something about Morphe brushes, I don't know, they're just as good quality as MAC, if not better. And then I got this palette, which I'm so excited about. It is the 24A Artist Pass palette. And I've had my eye on this for a while, but I was like, nah, I don't need it. Nah, I don't need it. Because I just kept buying makeup. Well, I decided I needed it after I kept seeing it all over YouTube. I cannot wait. I'm getting into the habit of opening it on my lap so I don't like spill anything out, because I knew there was glitter in here. So this is just so pretty. I just can't even wait. Like, I don't even know, are these pressed pigments or like what? I don't know. I didn't really look anything about it. I just kind of was like, oh, I need that, because it's just, look at how bright that is. Like, you have your neutrals at the top, but you have so many glitters, and then you have like those neons, like that neon green, like what? Like, that's really serious. So I'm excited to play with this one. I'm like really excited, especially because it's summer, so you know. Well, it's not summer yet, but it almost is. And then the last thing I got was this one that I really needed for my palette collection, is the 35M. And I think this will fill a lot of voids in my collection. And this one, let's just make sure we're not broken. Ooh, queen, yes. Okay, I don't like how Morphe puts the shade names on top of here, because, like, honestly, like, they're not even on the back or anything. They're not on there. I love Morphe, but, like, come on. Can we have, like, the sheet, like, on top or, like, behind the palette, or, like, behind the back of the palette or something? I don't know. That just bothers me, but I guess I can't complain. But this one is it. It has, like, all the greens I possibly could need with, like, all the neutrals, a lot of blacks and grays, and, like, some, like, pinks and purples. It's a really interesting palette in my opinion, because like most of the, like, the top 2 rows are pretty much all different types of green, and then you go into like the green and like the oranges, and like I love having some oranges. I don't have a lot of oranges in my collection, and these are like peachy, more peachy, and then we have some darker purples and like some blacks and everything. So I'm really excited about these palettes. So I did get 4 palettes in the brush set, and that's what I got. I have a lot of palettes right now, and I also have Jeffree's cremated palette coming. I don't know when it will come, because obviously coronavirus loves to make things, you know, ship late, but I know they're doing the best they can, and I really can't wait to get it, because I don't know about you guys, but I know the name of it is like not the best, but the color story is pretty good. And for a makeup artist like me, I don't have a gray toned smoky eye palette. Like, that's like one of the palettes like I can't find it anywhere. And like all the tones that are in his palette is like really like, it's the void that's missing from like all my neutral palettes. So I'm really excited for that to come, and like maybe some people will stop hating on him for it, because honestly, like, he was gonna put it out anyway, and I know it's not the right timing, I guess, but at the same time, like, he always makes such quality products, and that's just who he is. He's a great person, and he does so much. He's been giving back so much during this time, and honestly, like, I just feel like he's getting a lot of hate for no reason. But that's my opinion, and I'm just really excited for that to come too. So I'm going to be having a lot of eye looks. Like, I think I'm going to be filming a tutorial next with the Best Life palette that I got with my BoxyCharm one the other day that I still haven't filmed yet, because I actually did go back to work this week, and I'm a hairstylist, and it's been really difficult with all the sanitation laws and everything in process, and me being the manager and everything. It's very difficult for us to, you know, kind of go back to normal, because it's really not a normal situation for us, and it's not a normal situation for anybody, but we've been having a lot of difficulty with like complaints and stuff like that, because people don't want to wait, and honestly, like, this is not the time for that. So I just, you know, I hope that people start like coming around to the things, to realizing that like we're putting our lives at risk for them. So, you know, we're doing the best we can with what we have and what laws that are put in place now, and unfortunately, well, actually pretty fortunately for us, they're pretty strict. So, you know, we actually have a good like system going. It's just people don't want to wait, and honestly, I know it's been 2 months and people really don't like having long hair, but hopefully they'll get over it, and we will get to them as soon as we can. We're doing the best we possibly can, and I've just been so busy the past week that I honestly like couldn't even sit down to film because I was like in work all the time, just like trying to set up to reopen. And then we reopened on Tuesday, and today is Thursday. So yeah, and tomorrow's my first day off since like last week. So I'm like really excited. I actually just came from work, which is why my hair's wet, because like as soon as I get home I have to wash my hair and all that stuff because I don't want germs. But I'm like really excited to be back at work, and I'm really excited to be filming some videos so I can get some content up for you guys, and I really appreciate you guys being patient. So next I will be having definitely a video on this palette, the Best Life. I think it's called Best Life. I've never tried this brand yet, so we're gonna try that, and then maybe we'll do another video with one of the Morphe palettes or something, but we'll see how tired I am because I am honestly exhausted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of short, but I just wanted to share my purchases with you before I started using them. So have a great day, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below to see to let me know what kind of looks you want me to create with it. If there's any palettes you want me to like create looks with first, or anything you've noticed in my collection that I haven't used for you guys, let me know because I want to know what you guys want to see. So give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!